Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Hema. In this video, we are going to see answers for Biozoology subject for class 12 refresher course module answers chapter 8 and chapter 9. Okay, so in the channel first time பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காம subscribe பண்ணிடுங்க. So 8th chapter contraception and contraceptive devices. So chapter 8 contraception and contraceptive devices. So அதில் இருக்க student activity answers பார்க்கலாம். First one, prevent implantation of a fertilized egg in the uterus is. The correct answer வந்து copper T. அந்த பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க மேலே. ஸோ அதுலேருந்து நம்ம எதுக்கு கரெக்ட் ஆன்சரோ அதை பிக் பண்ணி எழுதணும். ஸோ fertilized egg in uterus வந்து copper T. Next, hormonal barrier prevents the ovaries from releasing the ova. Next, condom are made of latex and plastics. Next, vasectomy is the permanent surgical sterilization in male. Next, permanent surgical sterilization in female is called tubectomy. Next, evaluation part. First question, what is mean by birth control? Answer for birth control, what is mean by birth control is, the answer is the voluntary use of contraceptive procedures to prevent fertilization or prevent implantation of a fertilized egg in the uterus is termed as birth control. Next, third question வந்து பாருங்க, list any two objectives of birth control methods. Birth control, also known as contraception, is designed to prevent pregnancy. Birth control methods may work in a number of different ways. Preventing sperm from getting into the eggs. Types includes condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, and contraceptive sponges. Next, fourth one, what are the characteristics of an ideal contraceptive method? So characteristics of an ideal contraceptive methods are user friendly, easily available, with least side effects, and should not interfere with sexual drive. So this is the answer for fourth question. Next, fifth one, define vasectomy. Vasectomy is the surgical procedure for male sterilization. Next, ninth lesson, sexually transmitted diseases. So evaluation part answers பார்க்க போகிறோம். First one, name any two bacterial sexually transmitted diseases. So 2 தான் எழுத சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, நான் 4 எழுதியிருக்கேன். Any two you can write. So gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydiasis, lymphogranuloma, varicella. Next, second one, name two symptoms of syphilis. So first symptom is formation of painless ulcer on the external genitalia. Next, second one, appearance of chronic ulcers on nose. So these are the two symptoms of syphilis. Next, third one, can you get STD from kissing? So the answer is no. Only certain STDs or sexually transmitted infections are transmittable through kissing, which are present on saliva. This is the third question. Next, this is the last question. What are the preventive measures of AIDS? So preventive measures of AIDS are avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Use condoms. C, in case of doubt, consult a doctor for diagnosis and get complete treatment. So we have completed the answers for chapter 8 and chapter 9. நீங்கள் இந்த சேனலை ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. Thank you.